Want to verify AI-generated content using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to enable SynthID and how it works. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Scroll down and find SynthID. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means SynthID is disabled. Tap the switch to enable it. The switch will turn blue. This means SynthID is now active. SynthID helps verify AI-generated content by adding a digital watermark. This watermark is not always visible, but it can be used to identify content created by AI. Once enabled, this feature works automatically in the background. This means when Gemini generates supported content, it may include this hidden verification. If the switch is already blue, you can tap it again to disable. The switch will turn gray, and SynthID will be turned off. And that's how to enable SynthID and verify AI content in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.